Is Sword Art Online an isekai? To first answer this question, we need to define what an isekai really is. Using trustful sources, an isekai is a fantasy subgenre of Japanese light novels, manga, anime, and video games. Isekai works revolve around a normal person from Earth being transported to, reborn, or trapped in a parallel universe, usually a fantasy world. A parallel universe can have many interpretations, but I'm going to prove this when using math. So as you can see here, I'm going to draw a line to represent modern-day Japan. There it is. And from geometry, we know that parallel lines never intersect, so we can draw another line above to represent the parallel universe. I call this the isekai test. Let's see some examples of isekais that we already know to prove this theory. Sora and Shiro fall out of the room into a parallel universe. Isekai? Yes. Kazuma dies and is reincarnated into a parallel universe. Isekai? Yes. Saber is summoned to modern-day Japan. Isekai? Yes. Kirito puts on a nerve gear and goes to a parallel universe. Isekai? Wrong! The mechanics in Sword Art aren't as simple as one may think. Let's take a look at what really happens to Kirito when he puts on the nerve gear. There's a split that occurs. His mind is transferred to the parallel universe of Sword Art Online, while his body stays in modern-day Japan. So has Kirito been isekai'd? To further explain this phenomenon, we will use quantum mechanics to prove this. We will use the theory of Schrodinger's cat to see if Kirito has been isekai'd or not. For those not familiar with Schrodinger's cat, it states that there's a cat in a box, and it is dead and alive at the same time. We don't know if the cat is dead or alive until we open the box. We won't know what happens unless we observe it. Same thing can be applied to Kirito. Due to quantum mechanics, we cannot simultaneously observe both of these lines, meaning we can only look at one line at a time. Therefore, Sword Art Online is and is not an isekai.